Hi guys, welcome to lesson 5-4, dot diagrams. Today we're going to look at expressions and we're going to match expressions to a dot design. Right here I have an expression. I know it's an expression because there is no equal sign. So I'm just analyzing it. So I'm thinking about my order of operations, PEMDAS. And remember, it's left to right. So I don't have any parentheses. I don't have any exponents. Multiplying and dividing. So I do have 3 times 5. And that by itself is a term. So I'm going to look at my drawing and see which dots match 3 times 5. Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here's a group of 5. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 groups of 5. So these right here I'm going to circle and I'm going to draw a line to 3 times 5 because those match. Then I see my other term, which is just 4. So this expression has 2 terms. And I see one box right here, and in that box I have 4 dots. So that would match 4. So here I have analyzed the expression by circling the terms. I matched the parts of the expression with parts of the dot design by drawing my line and circling those parts. Let's look at another example. In this example, it says analyze the expression. Then we're going to evaluate for D equals 7. So first, I'm going to analyze my expression. I'm going to use my order of operations from left to right. So I'm going to start with parentheses. I do not have any parentheses. Then exponents. There are no exponents. So I move on to multiply or divide. This second term is multiplying. So I'm going to circle it and label it. And it is 3 times D. So D is my variable. Remember, variable is a letter that can stand for any number. So in my drawing, I see D dots, D dots, D dots. So I literally have 3 groups of D. So I'm going to circle that part and match it to 3 times D. Then I see I have 4 right here. 4 is a number by itself and is a term. Right here I see 4 dots. Those are going to match. So I have analyzed the expression. Now I'm going to evaluate it for D equals 7. So to do that, I'm going to first rewrite it, filling in every D with 7. So I have 4 plus 3 times, here's a D. I'm going to put 7. So first I rewrote it with the variable. Second, I'm going to follow my order of operations from left to right. So I start with parentheses. There are none. I go to exponents. There are none. I go to multiply and divide. So I'm going to start here, left to right. Oops, this should be a times. Okay, and I see 3 times 7. Whoops. So first I'm going to do my multiply and divide. 3 times 7 is 21. So now, if I rewrite my expression, I have 4 plus 21. My next step is to add and subtract, again from left to right. In this case, all that's left is adding. So 4 plus 21 gives me 25. So my answer would be 25. Today, you learned how to match dot diagrams to algebraic expressions.